City People's Council, bahagi na ng Sangguniang Panlungsod. May tuturing na isang makasaysayang pangyayari ang kauna-unahang pagkakataon na naging bahagi ang Isabela City People's Council sa Sangguniang Panlungsod ng Isabela.
Isinulong natin yung Isabela City People's Council, and with that, nakiusap tayo sa sanggunian na sana ma-institutionalize, na sana bago ho bumaba ako bilang mayor ay ma-institutionalize natin ang initiative na to. And for that, I am indeed, in behalf of the people of Isabela, deeply grateful to our City Council.
Kinatawan ng nasabing konseho si Pastor Ronald Paulino na nakikita ang pagkakataong ito bilang isang mahalagang hakbang upang makapaglingkod sa mga mamamayan.
But of course, so privileged para to even to sit together with these esteemed people, this August this August body. I would like to thank God. It's really a privilege. Never I expected. And we would like to thank God for using even Mayor broaden yung understanding as to implement as well yung dapat i-implement. Kasama na rin ito sa good governance, I would say, na yung transparency, accountability, and participation of the people was really realized until finally, it was finally institutionalized, no, yung ng People's Council.
Dumalo rin sa nasabing sesyon si Mayor Siti Jalia Turabin Hataman upang personal na ipahayag ang kanyang suporta at pagbati sa bagong talagang miyembro ng Sangguniang Panlungsod.
Hindi ho natin masasabi na siya lang ang representative, kundi dagdag, no, doon sa mga boses ninyo, no, bilang mga representante ng mga Isabelenyo. So sana ang presence ho ng People's Council, here represented by Pastor Paulino, who I'd like to emphasize, never asked for this, never expected this when we started the People's Council, no? But seeing him having been, member of different bodies of special bodies of the LGU and all, alam ko ho na malaki rin ang magiging ambag niya sa trabaho ng City Council.
Layunin ni Pastor Paulino na gamitin ang oportunidad na ito upang maging katuwang ang Sangguniang Panlungsod sa pagsasagawa at pagpapatupad ng mga programa na makakatulong sa pag-unlad ng lungsod.
As to the different committees that they will be creating, sa committee, siguro, I don't want as well to become yung tinatawag nila na member ng Committee on Silence. I would like to voice out the things. Of course, I'm representing the people, so that sentiment of the people that I'm actually representing, most especially the 14 sectors that we are representing, must be voiced out, must be heard, and probably come up with something really that is relevant, and of course, that will be productive, not just probably a person sitting, listening, and all these things, but I hope and pray that our presence will become significant as well.
Ang inisyatibang ito ay nagsisilbing mahalagang hakbang tungo sa mas inklusibong lungsod ng Isabela.